Portfolio Analyst enables you to create reports that evaluate the performance of your portfolio based on a set of measurement criteria. You may optionally compare their data to selected industry benchmarks. Once logged into the portal, click on the Reports tab from the Portfolio Analyst page. The upper part of the screen lists default reports available, while the lower portion of the screen contains an area from which users may create custom reports. To the right of the screen, users may configure how the report will be delivered. And below, users may create benchmarks of their own to measure portfolio performance against. Whether choosing default or custom reports, you have the choice of viewing snapshot or detailed reports. If you choose detailed reports, these are available in both PDF or CSV format. Let's look at creating a default statement. You can see that there are 6 default time periods to choose from. Choose the time period to run the report for. Hover above the report types to the right. I will select a snapshot PDF. Next, you will face a decision to be made on whether to generate a single report by consolidating data across all accounts, or whether to create a unique report for each account that you selected. The report PDF will download and can be opened. Here is what it looks like. Note the type of report and the time frame in the header section. Default reports always use performance measure time-weighted returns, whereas custom reports have choices between time-weighted or money-weighted return. You can repeat the process to run any of the default statements, with the detailed ones drilling down to contain more information about your portfolio holdings, attribution and statistical returns. You can access a section of the report by selecting one from the table of contents. Let's turn to building a custom statement. To create a new custom report, click the plus button. Name your report. Include time period, frequency, performance measure, and more. Plus, you can select whether to replace the account ID with an account alias for privacy purposes. Next, choose to include a cover page and/or a table of contents. From the Report Pages section, choose from multiple report pages, which can be added to your customized report. Simply select those that you wish to add, and when done, click Continue. Review your custom report template, and when satisfied, click Create on the lower right of the screen. You will see a screen confirming the report has been saved. Now, back on the Reports page, you'll see your new report listed in the Custom Reports section. You may now create that custom report by clicking on the Run icon to the right. Make any further selections from the pop-up window and click Run. The report will generate and ask you to save the PDF, whereafter you can view it. You may also create a custom benchmark to measure your portfolio performance against. You'll see that we have a custom benchmark previously created. Let's view it. You'll see that it includes 2 benchmarks with a weight totaling to 100. For instruction on how to create one, click the question mark in the custom benchmark area for detailed instructions. Lastly, let's touch upon the report delivery options. Here's where you can configure your method of delivery by email or FTP, and whether to encrypt or not. You can configure your default reports and your saved custom reports. If you manage or maintain multiple accounts, you can select accounts and other report generation options. Click the Help icon for more details. Here are some other great features to note. Returns are GIPS verified. Returns are geometrically linked on a daily basis regardless of the frequency selected. IBKR uses Thomson Reuters business classifications and Lipper for sector classifications. The risk-free rate used to calculate alpha, the Sharpe ratio, the Sortino ratio, and the downside deviation is the US 3-month Treasury bill. The performance attribution versus S&P 500 report is available from 2019 onward. For further information about Portfolio Analyst, you can access the user guide available at PortfolioAnalyst.com.